I was honestly relieved. Now that we were two separate beings, I wouldn't have to hurt anyone again.
Pissed off, dark sky, indecisive war cry. Angels fire bullets to the skeletons who dare defy preacher. Painless, reaper of the blameless, obsessing over virtue, sin within the shameless. The thorns are held in precious wooden beads. Fury at the mares inside their stall. Silence keeps them satisfied and misery is safe. Caution in creation of the call. My power stems from Codine.